Bonjour les amis! Bienvenue à la semaine du 19 mai au 22 mai, mardi à vendredi. So cool Oceanside Otters, remember that Monday was a holiday, so welcome back on Tuesday. This week, as always, this is an overview and I will send a printable version of the worksheets as well. This week, we are starting to look at what is a setting in a story. To do so for literacy, we are going to review the character traits by reading through the adjectives page, which I will show you on the slides. Intro to the setting looks like listening to this cute storybook called The Three Little Aliens and the Big Bad Robot. As you are listening, how would you describe the three little aliens? How would you describe the big bad robot? The next part is, where does the story take place? Use the Sketch the Setting sheet on slide 6 to draw out the story. We are going to also write a story about a monster that likes to eat paper, shown on slide number 7. For math this week, grade 1s, we're going to continue with our subtraction to 18. During Zoom this week, I noticed that it's an area we need to work on. If you want to do some extra, I have money over here and this 3-act task for both grade 1s and 2s. But that is a family activity. Parents, you'll need to help just toggle forward and back on the computer. And it's a fun activity to do together. It doesn't take very long, but it's quite a lot of fun. So Humpty Dumpty and the Cookie Monster. Grade 1s and 2s, feel free to do both or one or pick yours. I just put grade 1, grade 2 on there. Grade 2s, same thing. We're going to do some subtraction, but this week we're doing it without and with regrouping of double-digit numbers. For extra, we have money and multiplication. Everyone is so keen to multiply, so I put that in there for you. For literacy, this week and during Zoom, I will introduce leçon A, and A, which is the new poem of the week and the new vocabulary words. You will also find in the printable version a crossword and a trace the word sheet. As always, for extras, we can continue listening to our sight words and listening to the combination sounds. And je lis, we have reading. However, the reading feature was not working recently and they're trying to work on fixing that. So just do your best. After I'm done this video, I will post the link here. Zoom hours on Tuesdays might change if I am going into the school again this week on Tuesday. It will be at 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. I will keep you posted when I know more information. And on Friday, we have our 11 o'clock time as well. Guided lesson number 1, révision. Comment décrire un personnage? Les adjectifs. On se souvient que les personnages est une créature, un monstre, une personne, ou un animal. So we remember that characters can be a creature, a monster, a person, or an animal. Here are some adjectives in French that I would like to read that we could use in our stories coming up. Grand ou grande, petit, petite, vieux, vieille, jeune, beau, belle, laid, laide, léger, lourd, lent ou lente, vite, gros, grosse, maigre. And continuing on, guided lesson number 2, où se passe l'histoire? Where does the story take place? Les lieux, où. Often we just say where. L'école, la salle de classe, le parc, un restaurant, la plage, la forêt, le cinéma, le zoo, la bibliothèque, le supermarché, l'espace, la ferme. Some of the words are going to repeat on this section here on the slide. This is a printable. It's also in your child's dictionary that has been bundled up in their school supplies. I'll send out more information on that shortly. If the students are writing a sentence, they would want to incorporate this first word and the second word. So you would say, je suis à la plage. I am at the beach, instead of saying je suis and then la plage. Because we use that word at or on or in when we are talking in English, and we do the same thing in French. So this would be for journal writing, and this is more for vocabulary to be helpful. I will get going. Chez moi, à la plage, au restaurant, au lac, dans l'Arctique, à la ferme, dans la forêt, au parc, à la piscine, chez mon ami, dans l'espace, dans l'océan. L'histoire avec le lieu. As I mentioned before, we'll be writing a story and drawing the setting. So this is the setting with the 3 little aliens and the big bad robot. Where do the little aliens live? What does it look like? Où vivent les 3 extraterrestres? À quoi ressemble-t-il? You would then draw it in this space here. And here's our little jingle for the week about a setting. Outside, inside, here, and there. The setting of a story tells when and where. Daytime, nighttime, city or town. The setting is where it all goes down. Here's an example of the sheets for writing this week. Create your own story using this sheet on a monster who likes to eat paper. You can use this planning sheet as a guide. Qui, who, quand, when, où, where, problème, and solution. So the focus this week is on describing your monster, as well as perhaps adding a little bit of the where did the story take place for the setting. Here are some examples. Un monstre a des gros yeux, des pattes. Un monstre est laid, gros, drôle. Un monstre peut faire du bruit, faire peur, manger des enfants. I've also typed here some adjectives in French with the English translations to help at home. On a effrayant, gros, drôle, sale, timide, lent, maladroit, ravi, heureux, étourdi, gluant, mangeur, tache, dégoûtant, and puant. And we read this monster story in class, which was really cute. You should ask your child about it. Guided lesson number 3. Contiennent avec le son et. I read, you read. Je lis, tu lis. J'ai un monstre dans ma maison. J'ai un monstre dans ma maison. Il retourne à chaque saison. Je l'ai vu sous mon lit. Il ne fait jamais de bruit. Chut. Il aime dormir et jouer, mais il n'aime pas se laver. Il se cache sous la chaise, mange des raisins et des fraises. Il aime aussi les bonbons. Ce petit monstre dans ma maison. And the vocabulary of the week for A. Une reine, une baleine, la neige, une araignée, une maison, un bouquet, les bleuets, violets, mais, jamais. And here are the principles of the week, which is the trace the letters and the crossword. Guided lesson number 4, les mots usuels. I put pictures in here. You could see if you can match the words to the pictures as you're looking at the slide. Dans, je danse, dehors, demain, devant, derrière, dix, jeudi, dimanche, je donne, je dessine, je dors. As always, guide lesson number 5, please practice the leçons composées by clicking the audio link here. And you could continue practicing les sons composés avancés when you click the audio right here. Math this week, guided lesson number 6. This is for my grade 2s. We are going to do 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Here is your video. And then we have 2-digit numbers with regrouping. So there are 2 different concepts here. I'm quite confident that we can do it without regrouping, as this is what we have practiced in class before. And with regrouping, you might need a little bit of help from your family. As always, continue using our strategies of a number line, hundreds chart, perhaps it's counting by 2s, by 5s, by 10s, making doubles, many math strategies we've been working on in class. Voici le papillon que Eden m'a envoyé. This is Eden's butterfly that she released. If you have any pictures of your butterflies in your work at home, I always love to see it. Et rappelez-vous, vous pouvez le faire. You got this, friends, and just try your best. Thank you very much. We'll chat with you soon. De Madame Dragani.